We have a government that is trying to tell us that we should ignore our senses. I knew something was wrong when I seen that parading about Cornwall Regional as a success. I knew something was wrong. I knew something was wrong when I see them talking about decrease in murder rate when this Prime Minister is the Prime Minister under which the most Jamaicans have been murdered. I do not want a Prime Minister that is being investigated for illicit enrichment. Illicit enrichment simply means that the assets one have one own if peer can't explain it. And that it means. I don't want a Prime Minister that is being investigated for illicit enrichment. And should my Prime Minister be investigated, I would expect that my Prime Minister that open up everything and say, see here, me have nothing to hide, to look and see our God. But instead, this Prime Minister decides that he, as the head of the state, is going to sue the state. The Prime Minister can't be going to court. I don't want this Prime Minister anymore. Oh, could I be in a situation and my brethren come out and say, look here, nothing wrong with that. And after that, I decide that I'm going to change the requirement for the job to give me brethren who don't qualify the work, who don't say nothing wrong with what they go with. How could I put him there to investigate it? That could have gone nowhere else in the world. We now make them water down the country.